Hey guys, welcome to the first vid. We're gonna do a little bit of Biebs, a bit of Daisies. I'm just gonna do a little quick playthrough, and then we'll get into it. Cool, let's get into it. So, this is gonna be our first chord. Through the verses, it's just 4 chords. So we got A flat, major. Just gonna keep it like simple. Then we got an F minor chord, C sharp, major, E flat, major. And so on these different turnarounds like that, on the first turnaround, we got this like, so I'm better say like you love me or not. So it just slightly changes on the E flat, just in this timing wise. You don't have to do it, but it's there. So it goes like, and it goes, second time round. So the first time's like a little later. The second time is like on it. I'll show you what I mean. So hopefully that makes kind of sense. So you've got those 4 chords until we get to like the sort of pre and the chorus part. Then we go on to a D flat. We can kind of make it a D flat major 7 if you want, as a little bit of color. So if we're going that, the way you got me on my head, that kind of part. But you can just stick to this if you want. And then we're back to the verse again. So go back again. You don't have to add this bad boy if you don't want to. You can. Otherwise, we're just going to stick to this, and it just goes on that. You got me on my head. Sorry. You just stick on that, and then go to the E flat. And then you're back to the verse again. Back to those 4 chords. But it slightly changes. It does the second verse, and then halfway through it does this kind of thing. So you got this A flat, then you got A flat over C. It's a little something something. Then you got C sharp, and then it does this little McGee is playing guitar. Fuck, that looks terrible. There you go. He does that little thing. So you can just kind of go, if that's easier, or you can do this little kind of grace thing. And that's kind of about it. There's not many other sections. There's not other sections, I'm pretty sure. So if you can nail that, have yourself a good time with a bit of Biebs. Smash the daisies and give daisies to someone that you love or hate. Have a good day, guys. Cheers.